Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a Christmas cat, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make an upside down V like that. Then we're going to close up this little upside down V with a curved line. And then inside that curved line, we're going to make another curved line. Now let's put a little bit of a puffball at the top of our cat's hat. And then we're going to come down here and make our cat's face and body. So the first thing that you're going to do to make that body is make a curved line and another curved line. Just like that. Now going back up to the top, let's make some ears. And those are just going to be some triangles. And then inside those triangles, let's make some smaller triangles. Now let's go back down here to the bottom of our kitty cat's body, and we're going to make some feet. So those are just super long letter U's. And then if you want to put a little bit of nails at the bottom, you can do that. And then let's close this up just like that. Let's go back up to the face part of our kitty cat, and our cat's eyes are going to be closed. So let's make some curved lines going like this, and then a little nose filled in, and then a little mouth. Let's make some whiskers. When I make whiskers, I just like to make 2 or 3 whiskers. Oh, you look so happy and excited about Christmas. Now let's make a little bit of a background. So this cat is going to be inside. I'm going to make a straight line, jump over his body and make another line. And then I'm going to make another line that runs parallel to that first line. Now down here you can make whatever you like. You can make some presents, you can make some cat toys. It's completely up to you. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a present right here. So I'm going to make a box. And then I am going to make a line, and a line. 3 slanted lines. And then I'm going to close those up. And that will make a 3D present box. Put a little ribbon on it. So I'll put some straight lines down. Some lines going across, and then some slanted lines going up. Maybe I'll even put some more slanted lines going like that. You can even put a ribbon at the top if you'd like. And then over here, maybe I'll put a ball for a cat to play with. It's completely up to you what you'd like to make for your cat. Now, I think what I'll do up here is I'll make a couple of decorations. So maybe on this side I will make some Christmas lights. So I maybe make a line like this, and then I will have some lights coming out the side like this. So basically I made this string, and then I doubled it up, and then I made curved lines coming down on either side, and then at the top I put a little bit of a dot there, so that's where the little plug goes into the wire. You know what I forgot on our cat? I forgot his tail. So I'm going to make that right now. So it's going to be a little bit of a curvy tail. So I just make a curved line, and then I follow it up with a second curved line. Over on this side, I think I'll make a little bit of an ornament coming off of the Christmas tree. So I'll make some branches, and then I'll make the little needles of our Christmas tree coming out each side. Those are just straight lines coming off of the main branch. See how I'm doing that? Just real quick short lines. This one needs one also. and then this one. And then I'll make a little bit of an ornament coming down on a little bit of a string. And then I can even decorate this however I like. So I think I'll put some curved lines there, curved lines here. It's completely up to you. And then maybe some circles here. Look at how cute that is. Now maybe I'll make this into a wood floor. So I just put some lines here. They don't even need to be solid lines, but I do like to make them slanted. So instead of coming straight down like this, I like to make them a little bit more slanted. Going to the side, it's completely up to you. There we go. Oh, he looks so cute. Alrighty, I hope you had fun with this lesson. I'll see you next time.